Hey, what is going on? My name is Norbert and welcome to the Complete JavaScript Array Methods series. In this video, we're going to learn about the from method. As always, the code is down in the description below, so if you wish to just follow along, then just grab onto the code, copy it, and just follow along with what I'm doing. If you wish to code along, then please feel free to do so. Now, before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing to the channel because I post new content like this on a regular basis. Also, if you like my video, hit that thumbs up button and help out that YouTube algorithm and help the channel grow. And as always, if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, please consider them leaving them down in the comment section below. So with this being said, let's get into the video. Now let's see what the from method does, which returns an array object from any object with a length property or an iterable object. Now, if this sounds confusing, don't worry, we're going to go over this. So let's just type in here from, and let's first of all take a look at the syntax. So the from syntax looks something like this. We have our array to which we apply our from method, which will take in the object, a map function, and this value. Now you don't need all three of them, so comment this one out. So let me give you a example. Let's create a array of users. I'm just going to copy them in. So we're going to have 4 users. We're going to have first user within all of them will be in an object. So the first user will have a name of Arabella and age 20, Karina, age 16, Norbert, and Laura, and so far and so on. Now let's first of all take a look how we can select a specific element from this array. So if I would console log our users, then I'm going to get my array. Now for example, if I wish to take the first position, we wish to select Arabella, then I need position 0, which is going to give me the entire object. And from this I can now get the name, for example, or the age. Now this is just simply getting information from an object. So let's see what will happen if I create here a function. Let's say find user, and wish to find the user with a specific position. So we're going to type in here an argument position. Let's create a variable, call it with a let keyword, call it user name. We're going to assign this from the users to get the position and then dot name. Now this position right here is whatever I'm going to pass into this function. And of course, let's just also check it by console logging the user name. And at the end, this should return a array dot from our username. Okay. Now, if I would console log our function of find user, all I need to do is pass in here the position that I wish to find. For example, from position 0, I'm going to get each letter from Arabella. Let's also do the short version of this. Let's type in here short. Let's say const get username, get username, and we get capital S in there. And we're going to assign this to an arrow function, which will take in as an argument the position again. And then I'm just going to call upon array.from, which will take in the user with the position as an argument and dot name. Okay, so now if I console log, let's take another position. So get username, and let's say we're going to get from the position number 2, and we're going to get Norbert now. Now let's see if I create here another const get user name letters. Again, create an arrow function. We're going to have now 2 arguments, so position and letter. So let's take our array again, the from method, and user, let me scroll up a bit. So users dot, sorry, not dot, but it's the argument of position. Now dot name, and a second argument of letter. Okay, so if I will now console log or get username letter, then this is a function. Now I need to pass in the position. So let's say from position 2, I wish to get the very first letter, which is N. And we could also do something like, let's say position 3, which should be R. Okay, so I can get Wait, no, oh yeah, because it's 0, 1, 2, 3, and this would be B. Okay, now I could also do something like to uppercase, and there will be a capital B. This is also a method. Okay, so hope you understand now the from method. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.